In this video, I will share sector analysis and stock analysis for the next week 23 to 27th August. Most people face problems how to select stocks for intraday or swing trading. You'll get the answer in this video, so watch till the end. Hello, I'm Sumit, intraday trader in Bank Nifty options with more than 4 years experience. I earned 12% return for July month after cost. So, first sector, FMCG. This is the daily chart of FMCG sector. As we can see here, it is in a clear uptrend. So Friday, a big gap down happened and Nifty index moved down further, but FMCG sector made a big green candle and it is at the high. So it is a very bullish sign for FMCG sector. All the FMCG stocks are doing well, so we can buy in the stocks which are the strongest. So this was the FMCG sector. Moving on to the next, IT sector is also doing well. It is in an uptrend and it is not affected by the down move and the gap down on Friday. So again, this is also a buying opportunity in IT sector. Finance sector, again a gap down and it retraced from there. So it is also having a good buying opportunity. Banks, same story, a big gap down and a doji type of candle is formed on Friday. So as we can see here, so here one has to be careful in the banks. Auto sector, again it broke below the previous support and it closed below it, so one has to be careful here. We cannot do the fresh buying here until we see some green candles. So one more thing here is that it is at the support is at 9600 9800 levels. I mean, this range of 200 points is a strong support for auto index, so one can watch for these levels, and then if there is a follow up, one can start buying here. But currently there is no buying in auto sector. Energy sector, again gap down followed by a red candle and it still has support at this level 19200 and 18800 levels. So not much buying in energy sector also. Pharma sector, again it crashed, a big red candle and it closed below all this 13800 levels, which was a strong support. So one has to be cautious in pharma and auto sectors. So metal sector, again strong selling, gap down followed by a big red candle, and one has to be careful in this also. So metal, auto and pharma were most affected by the gap down and the Friday's move. So now we'll see the stock analysis for few sectors like FMCG, IT and finance. We'll see these three sectors stocks. So first we'll see the FMCG stocks. So FMCG, the biggest gainer was Hindustan Unilever, and as you can see here, big volume, big green candle, broke the previous high and closed above it convincingly. So a strong bullish sign in Hindustan Unilever. But one has to be careful at buying here. One can wait for a slight correction around this level to do fresh buying. So the next is Britannia, again almost similar candle. As you can see here, the volumes were increasing previously also, and here also we can see the increase in volume from the past 3 to 4 days. So it closed above the previous high and it closed almost at the top. So nice bullish sign in Britannia also, like Hindustan Unilever. Asian Paints, again increase in volume, green candle, and it can move towards the high or above that also. So Godrej Consumer at the top, increase in volume, closing above the high, it can move further up. One can buy with a strict stop loss. And if you can see one more, Marico, again a good story, good green candle with good volume, and it can move further up towards 560 580 levels. So this was the FMCG sector. And moving on to the next one, next one is our IT sector. IT sector is in a uptrend for almost a year now. All are doing well. We'll see few stocks. Mindtree moved up. It was not affected by the gap down and the down move of Nifty. It is at all time high. I think it is at the high. And as you can see, the volume is increasing, price is increasing, and now it is here. One should be careful for buying here. One can wait for a little retracement around this level, and then if there is follow up, one can buy here. So Infi, again at the top, it is holding at the top with, as you can see the volumes here, green candles, consistent green candles above average, and price is increasing. So a nice momentum in Infi and all the IT stocks. TCS, again the same story. Almost all the IT stocks, similar type of chart patterns we are able to see. Increase in volume above average and price at the top. So Wipro again at the top. For the last 2 days not making green candles but still holding at the top, and the volumes are also increasing. It can still further make up move towards 660 680 levels. One can go with a strict stop loss around 600 levels. So the next one, HCL Tech, same story, around the top, and the volumes are also increasing, and looks good for buying. Moving on to the finance sector, as we can see here, Bajaj Finance, bullish, very bullish, and in such a bearish market also it made a good up move. It shows the bullishness of this stock. See, the volumes are increasing, price is increasing, it can make further up move. Strong momentum with Bajaj Finance. SBI life insurance, it pull back from the support, and it can make a move towards 1180 levels. So this is a good stock for swing for 4 to 5 days. So keep it on the watch list. And Bajaj Finserv, again at the top, it can break out anytime, so you can have it on the watch list. As you can see here, the volumes are increasing, price is increasing, it can break out anytime. So if you can see one more, ICICI Prudential at the top. As you can see here, this volume, again the volume is trying to increase, price can break out anytime. So this was the analysis, sector analysis and stock analysis, and I keep sharing intraday stocks for next day on my Telegram channel along with entry, stop loss and target. So you can join on Telegram, link in description. Details of 1-year mentorship program in the description. Price just ₹999. Any doubts, WhatsApp on 7666 479 384. Thank you for watching. Learn trading and earn from trading. If you like this video, follow, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next video.